You've probably seen a lot of faceless YouTube channels that are making thousands of dollars every month, and probably wondered how you could start your own faceless YouTube channel and have it monetized using just AI. Well, lucky for you, in this video I'm gonna show you the whole process of creating a faceless YouTube channel in 3 steps so that you can start uploading a video, get monetized, and start making some money.
Nice.
The first step and the most obvious one is that you need to create a YouTube channel.
Well, obviously.
To do this, make sure you have a Gmail account, which you probably already have one. If you don't, go to Google and type in create Gmail account on the search bar and hit enter. Then click on the first link and then click on create an account. This will take you to the Gmail sign-in page. Then click on create. Here you can choose if you're gonna use it for personal use or for business. I like to select for business. Then click on get Gmail account. Now fill in the first name, last name, click next, add your birth date. Click next. Verify your email with your phone number. Now, you need to have a name for your YouTube channel. If you already have one, write it down so that you can put it while we create a YouTube channel together.
You and me, together.
If you don't know what you're going to name your channel, you can go to ChatGPT and ask for YouTube channel name ideas based on your niche. Now, I like to make a content around the how-to niche because it's an evergreen content, meaning it will consistently bring in views since people are going to always need some help with something.
Yeah, boy.
Now, let's take a look at the list of names and choose the one you like. Make some changes if you need to, then copy it or write it somewhere. Now, go to YouTube and sign in with your new Gmail account. Once you're signed in, click on your account icon and click on create channel. Write the name you have copied from ChatGPT or just paste it. Now, write your handle. Once you have that, hit on create channel. You now officially own a YouTube channel. Now, let's get to step 2. Now that you have a YouTube channel, you need a logo. Having a logo will give your channel an identity, but you already knew that, so let's cut the chit chat and start creating a logo. There are a lot of AI to image generators that can help you achieve that. You can use Midjourney or DALL-E.
That shit costs money. Bruh.
But my favorite is Canva text to image generator, which is completely free. Go to Google and type in Canva text to image generator. Click on the first link, then make sure that you're already signed in. Select your design. One thing you have to consider when writing a prompt is make it specific to your YouTube channel or the idea you have in mind. Now, write the prompt and click generate. Select the one you like and download it. Go back to your YouTube channel, go to customizations, click on branding and upload your image. Done! You can repeat the same process for the YouTube banner. Now that you have your YouTube channel and your logo, let's go to the best and the last part. If you already know what kind of video you want to make, great. If you don't, then don't worry.
I got you, homie.
You can take inspiration from YouTube, see what kind of videos are doing great, then replicate their success.
Of course! That's genius! Pure genius!
Now that you have an idea, it's time to write a script. You can go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short script for you about a video you want to make. Make sure to go through it once again and change some things if you have to. Once you like it, copy the script. Now you can start recording the voiceover.
Okay.
For this, you can use play.ht voiceovers. Go to Google, type in play.ht and hit enter. Once you are on the website, sign in with your email and paste your script. You can choose an AI voiceover character from a list of characters. Once you've chose your character, click on the play button to hear what it sounds like.
Hey there, money makers. Welcome back to Digital Dollars Guide, the go-to place for all things making money online. If you're ready to turn your digital dreams into dollars, you're in the right place.
Once you are happy with the voiceover, download it. Now, the editing part. You can use any of your favorite editing softwares. You can go to pixel.com and download free stock footage for your edit. You can now combine your footage with your voiceover and start creating your video. Once you're done, upload your video to YouTube. There you have it. By following these 3 steps, you can create your Faceless YouTube channel.